Find the length and breadth of the following rectangle. Area of the rectangle is given 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and we have to find out the length and breadth of this rectangle. Standard 9 Mathematics Chapter number 2 Polynomial. Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here in this video we are going to see question number 15 of exercise 2.5. So let us begin with: give possible expressions for the length and breadth of following rectangle in which their areas are given. Here one of the rectangle given with the area, that is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We need to find out its length and breadth. Means here whatever this expression is given, or we can say the polynomial is given, we need to find out the factors of this polynomial by the factorization method. So let us start with the solution. Using splitting the middle term method, we will do this sum using the splitting the middle term method. We will solve this particular sum. If you will see, then what we have to do, this is the polynomial which is given. I will write it here. Area of the polynomial is given, so I will write it. Area of rectangle is given. Rectangle which is given to be 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We need to find out its length and breadth, means we need to find out its factor by using factorization method, and in which we are going to use the splitting middle term method. For splitting the middle term method, we know that what we are doing, this is the last term and this is the first term. We need to do the multiplication of both of this term, that is first and last term. We'll do it here, that is 12 multiplied by 25. We know that 12 multiplied by 25 is equal to 300. Now we have to factorize this 300 in such a way that the sum of them will be this term. That is, two factors of 300 we want to get in such a way that its summation or the total will be this term, that is 35. We can say minus 35. And its multiplication must be 300. We know the factors of 300. I'll write it here and we'll try to join them to get these factors, by which the summation of both those factors would be minus 35. Let us see. 300 has the factor 2. 150 2s are 300. 75 2s are 150. 75 has to factorize. We can say that is 15 3s are. Then again we know that 5 into 5. That is 15 3s are 45. So it is 3 into 5 into 5. That we can say 25 3s are 75. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. We can say 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150 and 150 2s are 300. Now if you will see that what we have to do, here you can see this particular term, or we can say polynomial, in which here it indicates addition. Means for this polynomial we need to do the factors, we need to add, or we can say addition of these factors, two factors, addition would be minus 35. So we need to get such two factors of 300. It should have the multiplication 300 and it should have this sign indicate what process we have to do. It is addition, and we need to get minus 35. In addition, we know that both the terms should have common sign for do the addition of those, and that would be negative sign, then only we'll get this 35, that is minus 35. So let us try to do that. If we will try to get it. 25, 12. It is not possible to get 35. We'll go for furthermore. If we will do it, let us try for this. This is 5 3s are 15 and 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay. 20 and 15. These are the two factors. 20, I'll write it. 300 is equal to 20 into 15. 20 plus 15, if we will do it, 20 plus 15, that would be 35. We want to get negative 35, means we will take it minus 20 and minus 15. So we'll do the addition and we'll get the minus 35. So we will have these two factors, 20 and 15. Those multiplication of this two term is 300 and addition of this two term will be minus 35. So I'll write it here. That is equal to, we'll write it, that is 25a square. As we want to keep the minus sign, I'll keep it here, minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. I hope you understood. Here, by this way you can understand that the addition of this two term, minus 20a and minus 15a, 20, 15 with the same sign. So we'll do the addition, that is 35, and we'll keep the same sign, that is minus. So this two factor, 20 into 15 is equal to 300 and 20 plus 15 is equal to 35 along with the minus sign. So this is how we have done these two factors. Now let us take something common from here. What should be the common? We'll split them and we'll try to get the common factors. What would be the common? Let us try to get it the common. Then we know that what would be the common out of this two, that is 25 would be having factors 5 5s and 20 5 4s. So I will take it 5 common. Out of this 2, a is also common. So what is remaining? 25, 5 has gone out. So remaining is 5 into a. 5 5s are 25 into a is a square. Here this is minus sign. Already this 5 has gone. So what is remaining? It is 4. 4 is remaining. A has already gone out. So what is remaining? Only 4. Here we will try to take the common term. It is 5 3s are 15 and it is 4 3s are. So 3 will be the common one. And I will take it this minus sign also common. Minus 3 will be common. Then what is remaining inside it? 5 3s are 15. So it is 5a. This minus sign we have taken common. So this sign will get changed and this minus 15a has been converted to plus. And this plus will convert it to minus because minus sign we have taken it common. So this sign gets changed to plus and this plus sign gets to change minus. We have taken 3 common. 4 3s are 12. So what is remaining here? Again 4. What we did? 25a square minus 20a. We have taken 5a common. What is remaining? 5a minus 4. Out of this 2 term we have taken minus 3 common. What is remaining? It is 5a minus 4. Out of this 2 term you can say 5a minus 4 is a common. So I will take it out. 5a minus 4. The remaining term will be 5a minus 3. So we got these 2 terms, that is 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. So one should be the length and one should be the breadth, because the area of any rectangle, we know the formula, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So if this is length, let me consider that 5a minus 4 is a length, then 5a minus 3 will be breadth. Or in other case we can say 5a minus 3 is a length, then this would be breadth. So I will write it here. The length of rectangle is equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth of rectangle is equal to 5a minus 3. I hope you understood that it has been asked to find out the length and breadth of the following rectangle, and its area is given in a polynomial form. What we did, we have find out two factors, and you can see these two factors are in multiplication, and we know the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. One will consider as length, then another will consider as breadth. Or if I will take this length, then this will be breadth, but the multiplication will be area of the rectangle. So that way we have find out the factors of it, and ultimately we have written the length of the rectangle is equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth of the rectangle is equal to 5a minus 3. Or in other way we can write it, if the length is equal to 5a minus 3, then the breadth will be equal to 5a minus 4. So anyway we can write it this, and this is how you can solve this question number 15 to find out area. The other one that is also you can find out, which is area. They have asked 35y square plus 13y minus 12. In the similar way you can solve this sum also. So this is how you can solve this question number 15 of exercise 2.5. If you understand and if you like this video, then click on the like button and share with your friends. In next video we'll see furthermore. Thank you so much.